juicy shrimp and crispy asparagus, you'll fall in love with this delicious and simple recipe. Hi, today we're making shrimp and asparagus. Alright, our start today, shrimp. Peel off the shells first. If you're using whole shrimp, remember to remove the head and the vein. Then season lightly. A pinch of salt, a little white pepper, mix it up and let it chill for 15 minutes. Next up, asparagus. Just chop off the pale, tough ends. Then slice diagonally, because we're fancy like that. Now let's make our secret sauce. In a small pot, add some soy sauce, a splash of water, a few dried baby shrimp for that umami kick, and a little sugar for balance. Heat it up slowly. Let everything mingle like old friends. Then strain it. That's it. This is our golden dipping sauce. Now let's cook. In a pot of water, toss in some green onions and ginger. Bring it to a boil. Then add the shrimp and a dash of cooking wine. Boil for just 2 minutes. Don't overcook it. We want them pink, tender, and juicy. Scoop them out and set aside. Next, another pot of boiling water for asparagus. Add a pinch of salt. Put in asparagus and a few drops of oil. That's the secret to keeping that bright green color. Cook for about 3 minutes. Still crisp, still perfect. Then take them out and cool them fast. Now for the best part, plating. Lay down asparagus one by one. Place the shrimp on top, some minced garlic and chopped scallion. Then pour on some hot smoking oil. Amazing. Finally, drizzle our homemade sauce all over. Now, let me take the first bite.
Wow!
The shrimp is juicy and bouncy. The asparagus is crisp and sweet. With our homemade sauce, everything is absolutely magical. Please give a thumbs up if you liked it, and come and see you next time.